Hey everybody, Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority, and as you can see, the Dean and Steve Show, session 7. 7. Now we're going to get that up to double and maybe hopefully triple digits at some point, but 7. October 8th, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. That's whatever, 10 a.m. my time. I'm on the West Coast, so there's the URL. You probably hear my dogs bark in the background. What are you going to do? Long story short, we want you to bring us the things you need help with. Have questions. We're going to show you tips, tricks, what's going on in the world today, a little bit about job-in. We want to make sure, but most importantly, we want to make sure you bring us the things you're struggling with. Don't give it to us in advance. We like to be challenged, so we want to do it live and show people our thought process, how we're going about it. With that, let's start with the entry, song, and then we'll get into that trick I was showing you about org charts on BizConnect. But Dean and Steve Show.
Dean decodes resumes with care. Steve refines processes everywhere.
Okay, there'll be more later. Let's get into it. All right, we have got this right here. And it is a picture. So you could try using an OCR tool, but I can tell you right now, it isn't going to work very well. But there's always a trick. So if we go ahead and come down, right click on it and go to View Page Source, all the information you need is sitting in this code. So let's just go ahead and do this. We are going to go ahead and we are going to copy this entire thing. And wham. And then we are going to put it into a text editor. Now I happen to have a Chrome extension I created that lets me get access to all these cool Chrome text editors online, make life simple. Sometimes they can be a little finicky when I'm using so much. There we go. We'll just use this one, make it easy. Create a new text file. And then we're going to go ahead and do this. That's everything. That's the code. Now we're going to download it. We're not going to save it to a drive. We're going to download it. And we can download just as untitled. I'm fine with that. Now comes the next fun part. We're going to go ahead and use AI. I created a Chrome extension that allows me to get to the AIs I really like, and we're going to use this one. This is called Perplexity. Now, there's, as you can see here in Perplexity, there's a boatload, and we're just going to stick with the quick one to make life simple. Now we're going to come back up here, and I probably shouldn't have closed this, but we're going to do it anyway. And what we're going to do is open the app. I don't really care. I just want a new note, and we're going to grab a prompt that I created that will work exactly with BizConnect. And so it's under org charts. This is also an extension I created, just so you know, and that's just because I got tired of not being able to find what I wanted. And it says BizConnect org chart source code. So we're going to copy it. I don't even need this anymore, I just realized. And we're going to put it in there. And then we're going to take a local file, which is the file I just put in here, desktop right there, and we're going to open it. Let it open. We're going to run it. Now, this is going to take out of that code all the information about the org chart. Now I did the quick one only because I wanted it to be quick, so it may not get all of them, whereas the more involved one, which takes longer, would have gotten them. And like I said, I try to keep these videos not too long. So I'm just gonna wait for it to give me a quick answer and just show a little bit of it. I'm not gonna go through it all because, you know, we got better things to do with our time. And this is only one example. You can do the same thing with several other org charts, and I've already got a prompt built to do them. Some org charts are worth doing, some just aren't. Why this is running? Oh, never mind. Here we go. Look at that, right from the code, the entire org chart. Wasn't that fun and simple and easy? I love simple. I love easy. So there you go. That's the way that works. But in the meantime, the most important thing to take away, this is the most important thing you should be taking away, is that the Dean and Steve Show is on October 8th at 1 p.m. Eastern, 10 a.m. Pacific. This is the URL. Same one it always is. I will be putting it into my comments. And that's it. And with it, let's close it out. The Dean and Steve Show, Dean DaCosta, Search Authority. Go.
Empowering peers to reach new heights. They tackle challenges and set things right. Dean and Steve, lighting the roads.
There you go. That's it.